Hello guys, today I'm excited to bring you Feedeo. If you're wondering what Feedeo is, it is a fantastic AI avatar powered that gives you interactive videos that's going to let you generate leads, it's going to help you showcase your products, even gamify the engagement as well, and collect some really important feedback that's going to help you later on with your company or your business that you have going on. And today I'm going to show you some of these amazing features. If you would like to try Feedeo, you can try it for free, so click in the link in the description and jump in there and go ahead and start trying it along with me because I promise you, you will find it as fantastic as I found it as well. So let's take a look. Now I've logged in to my account. So when we're looking, what you'll do is you'll go to create a video. You can even check out some of the templates, for example. When you click on the templates, you're going to be able to see all of them kind of off the get bat, the NPS survey, the lead generation, or you can kind of go into the niche. So like marketing, the NPS, the lead generation, customer support. You even have sales, contact forms, email campaigns, recruitment, e-commerce, and education as well. Video, frequently asked questions, feedback survey, all of these things. And you can actually use a template, edit it to how you want. It's very, very easy to do. So we can do well some really awesome things with these templates. So for example, let's go to customer support, for example. So maybe you have a website that you need customer support on. You want to kind of take this information. So the builder here, so how can I help you? This is the text that comes in here. You can change this text as well if you want later on. You will just click on this and click rename. And how, for example, maybe I want to say, how may I help? How may I assist? Whatever you want. Or you can leave it the same. And just click in there. There you go. And you can see how can I help you today? We'll leave that there. And some of the support options. So the support options you have, these you're going to be able to change those. Feature request as well. And then, for example, if you click on like report a bug, if you click on this and submit, you kind of like type in what you're going. They'll give you a script on the right side, right here. Sorry, right here. And you'll see I ran into this issue. I'm sorry that you ran into this issue. Can you please describe as much detail? And here you can actually, I'm sorry you had that, or whatever, right? So I'm sorry you had this situation. So you're gonna be able to customize what you would like for it to say. And there you go. And let me get more info. Let me get more info. Information from you, and there you go. So that's what I'm gonna have it say, right? And so a feature request, you can go through and write all of this how you want. We don't necessarily have to do all of those. If you want to change them, you can leave them if you want. You can contact the sales department. They have a link that will connect to that, and I'll show you that a little bit of that in just a second. And we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So these are the steps that it's going to be doing. So you're essentially just kind of building what it will say. But let's get into some really fun parts of actually building this AI avatar. So the video, you can choose the avatar yourself. They have some pretty cool examples, like these guys. You can choose a man, a woman, how you want, or you can even do a virtual avatar for you as well. You will just click and upload your avatar, your picture that you have to this. And once you do that, you can say, as far as like the components, you can say an overlay text. We will get back to you as soon as possible at this point. But going back to the video, you can change the voice, for example,
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like that.
or Kenneth,
Hello, this is how I sound.
or Troy,
Hello,
cheerful,
this
so
is
you have
how I
friendly.
sound. Hope you like that.
Brandon, this is calm,
Hello, this is how I sound.
or
Hope
Sam, natural.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like that.
Not really natural, but you get the idea. So we can do Kenneth the broadcast,
Hello, this is how I sound.
right?
Hope you like that.
So we'll choose him, and then we'll go to the components, right? So you can display this on the video or not. The answer type, you can choose the answer how you want. So if you want it to be an NPS or short text or WhatsApp to contact you, you can say WhatsApp. So we will get back to you as soon as possible. So since it's like a technical issue or a problem, if they click on this, we can just click on WhatsApp and link everything together. And then what you'll do is you'll just insert your phone number. For example, like whatever, and do something like this, and then put the phone number in here, and it will link, and then they'll chat to you on there. So it's pretty quick to kind of go ahead and get started. And if we click on logic as well, you can see like what will happen on the next page. Here we don't have anything selected, but you kind of get the idea. So very fast, very easy to pick this up. And if you don't like it and you want to delete it, you can delete it. Also, you can share it. And what you can do if you share it or you publish it, and we'll go to actually publishing too, you can go and share the link. You'll just copy the link and then post it with somebody or for whoever else, or just have it maybe on the end of like your video if you have a video or your website. You can do it in an iframe, so you're going to be able to copy and paste this code anywhere in the body of your website widget, so you can copy and paste it to in the head section of your website, and so you can kind of have this to just click and go through that. And here you can see your responses, but we don't have any responses just yet for this because we just created it, but you get the idea. And then once you click publish, and once you get finished with this, and it just takes just a second, so almost there's. All right, and the video is currently publishing. It will be ready in about 2 to 5 minutes. It doesn't take that long, really about a minute or so, maximum two, depending on your internet and how it's doing, because it's generating everything. But it's very, very interesting, very, very cool. And I'll show you that too. And I'll show you one of the previews as well. And it's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to really get a lot, it's going to give you a lot of ability to showcase your products as well and get that really super valuable customer input. And I think that's one of the uh, best things you can have when owning a company. So that way you can make some changes if it's needed. And so this is really going to help you with that as well. All right, and we're just waiting just for a second. And here you go. And so, like when you click, like I want to report a bug, I have a feature request. So based on all of these that we were talking about, we can click on one, and it will take us to it goes. And so here we can go ahead and copy it to once it's published. So that's not a problem for you as well. But let's take a look at the live demo. This is really going to show. So let's click on this.
Hi, this is Vlada from Feedeo. How can I help you today?
Right? And so you can do that. And if you say, I want to report a bug,
I'm sorry you ran into this issue. Can you please describe in as much detail as possible what went wrong? Knowing the exact error messages or unexpected behaviors helps us identify the problem faster.
and there you go. And you can say, well, it crashed, right? So they'll say, it crashed on me. And then submit.
We appreciate you providing those details. We can't make progress without feedback from users like you.
And there you go. And this is how it works. And you can change all of this, and it will read the text that you give based on what we're doing at the beginning of it. But this is the desktop. You can even look at it for what it would look like with the mobile as well. Looks really good. And there you go. And let's go back from the live demo, and we're published. And it's just like that. It's very, very simple, very, very easy to do. And if we go back to our home, you can see the customer support. I'm just going to click on this one again. This guy. And so, like I said, based on what it's going to tell you, it's going to be on the script, and this is going to change what it says. So, meaning report a bug, you'll be able to click and report a bug, whatever you want to change that text, you'll do it with rename, just a recap, and then whatever you want the response to be is going to be in the script. So very, very easy. So remember that as well. So the feature request, if they click on feature request, you can change that text and be like request a price, right? And our price is this, right? For this. So you're going to be able to really change and adapt it to any way you want. It's just simply going to make the avatar speak for you and based on the response. So you have a list of answers, kind of like you're playing an NPC game. Right, like for example, if you're playing Skyrim and you have this like choices of things you can say, and then based on the choice you say, you get the script or the NPC speaking back to you. Well, this is exactly it, but it's going to be for your business. So you're essentially building an NPC for your company to get all of the information you need. So I do highly recommend Feedeo. Go and jump and try it right now. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to give you a lot of value to your company as well. So click on that link in the description and start today.